Hey guys, so today we're making slime, and I don't know really what type of slime. I think like just glossy slime, basic slime. So let's start. Firstly, I'm pouring my beautiful white glue. It's gonna take a while because it's super late. Okay, let's just, that's enough. Then I have my soap that I add in for the texture. I add 2 squirts. Then I mix all of that up together. And it's a little bit like the texture of fluffy slime because my soap's super fluffy, super duper fluffy, guys. So yeah, it is gonna smell kind of nice. Yeah, it smells nice, and it is a tiny little slime, so we're not gonna need a lot of activator. So I just added baking soda because basically baking soda is the clue actually. So I'm gonna mix that in. Then I'm gonna add some contact lens solution and mix, mix, mix. It is gonna take a while because with my glue, it is not very activating so quickly, but it might be better with Elmer's glue because I don't have Elmer's glue. Because Elmer's glue doesn't come really to Thailand where I live, but yeah. And when you feel ready, you can just go in with your hands and you're gonna have this super duper glossy little slime. At first it is gonna be sticking to you, it sticks to everything, but it is okay, guys. Like, look at my slime. So pretty. Super duper sultry. And yeah, so guys, by the way, color, yes, you can add. The color you can add, don't worry, you can. So basically, guys, like, look at this stretch, it's so long. Okay, so it is a little tiny slime. I love it. And I'm just gonna make a little bit more of these little guys here because I love them. They are so cute. Okay, make another one, a bigger one this time because I want it big. I like big slime. By the way, guys, make sure to check out my Instagram channel. We are called Slimes. So we just need to put slimes, and then it's gonna be like with a purple photo and numbers. I don't remember the numbers, but basically it's gonna be slime zet. And you say set. So yeah, so basically this is a different texture because now I am making a different slime. Oh, sorry, I didn't tell you. So I'm using now my shaving foam, foamy, and I'm using this. I use this almost every day, so this works. Make sure that you don't add the shaving cream too much because if you add too much, it's gonna turn no good. Trust me, no good. And it should be like a stretchy consistency to make sure. So now it is time for the baking soda. And the contact lens solution. There needs to be contact lens solution. Guys, I decided to make a surprise, so I'm just adding like a little bit of this sandy glitter. It's not very shiny, but I to like it. I added to slime once, so it was super pretty. So I'm gonna add it again. This is like spits in it, so I really like that. So guys, I mixed a lot and added some content and solution, and it's getting there. It's like coming on the walls, but at the same time, it is still sticking on the walls. So I'm gonna try a little bit more and come to you guys when I'm finished. Guys, I dyed my purple. I dyed my purple because I love purple. Purple is my favorite color, so that's why I dyed it purple. It is still a little bit sticky, so I'm gonna come back to you guys with a perfect slime. I promise. Okay, guys, I am back, and I finally got the slime I wanted. So, guys, look at the slime. So pokey, and guys, when you stretch it, there's like bits of sand looking through. It's so cool, and it's so nice to feel it. So I decided to add a little bit more soap because it's not very soft. To be honest, I might have overactivated it. So yeah, let's just do this. Okay, this is getting good. Okay, I take that. By the way, guys, if you didn't know, I made a giant slime smoothie. But I didn't film it yet because I was like 5 years old then. So, yeah. Sorry that I didn't have a YouTube channel there, but, you know, sometimes you need it. You make mistakes sometimes, you know, you do. Yeah, I made that mistake. So, guys, look at this. Look at the slime. Okay, let's show the other one. So the other one is pretty obvious. It's white, and it's not very stretchy after that. So yeah, by the way, sorry guys for all of these noises, but they're making construction right next to me, literally right next to me, because behind my house there's a construction where I'm gonna live. So yeah, it's super duper nice. Oh, it feels soft. By the way, guys, at the end of this video, I am going to mix them together. Probably it's gonna turn purple. Of course it is. So, it turned like pearly at the end. Guys, it turned pearly at the end. It was pretty nice. Can you see the pearl? Pearly. Oh yeah, guys can see it, I think. So guys, this slime is super duper nice. I really like it, and let's try to make a swirl out of this little slime. Oh, this is gonna be hard. Okay, this is my last swirl. And last one. And this little tiny poop swirl. Okay, guys. Let's try with the bigger one. Yeah. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, let's try this out. Guys, this is pretty. This is like pretty, and look at that little chunk there of sound that I added. It's pretty. It's like a charm. Sand charm. Sand charm. Smart, huh? Okay, guys, this is the moment we have all been waiting for, to mix the slimes together. Yay! I'll throw it aside. Okay. So, we're just gonna mix it. We're gonna swirl, and then I'm gonna make a swirl for you guys. And it's breaking because of the little one. I'm not really sure about this anymore. But anyways, guys, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. I can't say it. Subscribe to this channel and give it a big thumbs up. Click the bell, and that's all for today. Maybe I'll make a video tomorrow. Comment down below if you want me to make a video where when I show you all of my slimes that I have made through the year. Comment down below if you want me to do that, and